That's a difficult one in a commoditized market. If I look at where we've come from as an agency, now traditionally Mindshare's differentiation has been that it went out and created a global network, like I said, from day one. So when global clients came to us, they could find a partner who had a footprint across the world, including all the big emerging and the developing markets where they were getting their big growth from. And we did it at a time when all our competitors were still very much focused on Western Europe and the US. And that became a big differentiator to work with Mindshare, and which is why we won so many big global clients, and actually our network was built around them. Over a period of time, of course, the competitors started catching up, and they also started investing in Asia and Central Eastern Europe and LATAM, and therefore narrowing the gap with us. But if you look at the equity that we managed to create with Mindshare in those markets, simply by being there first and being able to do the job with consistency, and therefore winning the trust of a lot of very big global marketers. Still, you do a whole lot of industry surveys, client feedback, you do find that we still have that lead and that differentiation. So whenever you go to China, whenever there is a big pitch, Mindshare would always be on the client list as someone, because they know that Mindshare has been there for the last 13, 14 years. It's practically sort of shaped and driven the development of the industry over there, and they would like to work with it. And of course, then there will be competitors who will be fighting Mindshare on pricing and trying to persuade these clients that, oh, I can do as good a job or even better job than Mindshare, but at lower price. So, it is a commodity, very commoditized space today, but I think our residual equity, which we built up over the years, certainly makes us quite often the first choice. And eventually it does come down to the commercials, but it certainly keeps us, marginally ahead of competition at any point in time.